Prerana Din will be celebrated in association with Utaa along with the Director of Tribal Welfare in the memory of late Mangesh Gaonkar and late Dilip Vedi. 25th May 25th is a historical day of tribal community. Late Mangesh Gaonkar and late Dilip Vedi had sacrificed their lives at the time of agitation held on 25th May 2011 for fulfilling the demands of ST community in the state of Goa. The Prerana Din will be organized on 25th May 2023 at Ravindra Bhavan, Margao. In association with United Tribal Association Alliance, the function will commence at 10 a.m. onwards. The function will be attended by the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Sri Govind Gowde, Honorable Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs, Sri Ganesh Gaonkar, MLA, Savade Constituency, Sri Deepak Karmalkar, Chairperson, Goa Commission for SC and ST, Sri Vasudev Gaonkar, Chairman of Goa State Scheduled Tribe Finance and Development Corporation, Sri Prakash Vedi, President of Utaa. The department take this opportunity to felicitate 4 scheduled tribe persons for their outstanding performance in the field of education, social, agriculture and sports, named as Adivasi Prajnavanta Puraskar in the form of certificate, memento, shawl, Srifal and cash amount of ₹1 lakh each. The tribal department has gone ahead with one of the project which will be launched on 25th May at the hand of Chief Minister. We have in association with IDFC Bank, IDFC First Bank and the Department of Tribal Welfare. We have launched a project, a pilot project called CBDC, that is Central Bank Digital Currency. This is the first state in India to launch this project, wherein the money will be transferred in the wallet of a student, because we are having the scholarship students. So the money will be transferred in the wallet of a student and that money can be utilized by the student as and when he wants.
दीस आम्ही 12 वर्सां जाली. प्रेरणा दीस हो आमचो मंगेश आनी दिलीप, कारण आंदोलन करपी उटा संघटना आसली. उटा संघटनेक झळ बसला आसा. इरिपेरेबल लॉस आमचे दोगूय भाव नात हाजे उडास आमी करतात. हेतून खंयचें आमी राजकारण करनात. हो आमचे मदीं ना जाल्ल्या आपल्याल्या अधिकारा खातीर झगडटा तांकां बलिदान केलें त्यांचे स्मृती खातीर आमी हो दीस करतात. आनी आमी सरकाराचें अभिनंदन करता किंवा त्यांचे हे रिकॉग्निशन घेवन त्यांचे कर्तृत्व पळोवन सुद्दां त्यांनी सरकार गव्हर्मेंट इज ऑब्जर्विंग दीस डे. इट्स व्हेरी खरें म्हणल्यार सगळ्या ट्रायबल लोकांक हो मोठो अभिमान दिसपा सारकी घटना आसा. जांकां ब्लॅक डे व्हायट डे करपाचो आसा तांकां कोणाचें लोकशाय आसा, तांकां कितें करपाक जाय न्ही. पण हांगा जे प्रेरणा आमी 12 वर्सां जाली. आय एम द विटनेस. हांव त्या संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष आसा. झळ आमी पळय सोंसला, झळ लोकांनी सोंसले कडेन आसा. एक कोणाक बापायक आपल्या चड जालो, कोण एक बायलेक आपल्यालो घोव ना जालो, कोण एक भुरग्याक आपल्यालो बापूय ना जालो, कोणा एक भावाक आपल्यालो भाव ना जालो, कोणा भयणीक आपल्या भाव ना जालो. ही दुख्ख आसा आनी त्या दुख्खाचे आमी तांची स्मृती दिवन पाळटात. खरें म्हणल्यार जांकां असो काळो दिन म्हणपाचो कितें असो तांकां अधिकार आसा काय ना तुमी तांकांच विचारात.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.